Welcome to Loyltworks, India's leading loyalty platform. As a tech-first company with over 12 years of experience, we specialize in B2B loyalty solutions, helping brands build scalable, customized programs that boost engagement and deliver results. At Loyltworks, we believe loyalty isn't just a feature, it's your growth engine. If you are looking to build stronger bonds with your channel partners and trade influencers, you are in the right place. Our loyalty platform connects supply chain partners and trade influencers, fostering engagement and sustainable growth across industries and regions. Unlock the power of our L1 loyalty platform, packed with features. Quick digital onboarding with eKYC. Earn points by scanning a QR or uploading an invoice. Create, activate, or deactivate QR codes anytime. Redeem rewards instantly from anywhere, delivered across India, from Tier 1 to Tier 3 cities. Lucky draws for added fun. Leaderboard for healthy competition among members. Seamlessly runs on WhatsApp. Gamification, e-learning, and assessments to boost engagement. Easy TDS with built-in tax handling. Track performance and send offers with smart analytics. Refer and earn to grow your network. Multi-language support for user ease. Integrates smoothly with existing systems. Strong data security and compliance. Multi-currency support for global reach. Mobile app for sales team to support loyalty program. Communicate across all channels through your systems. Call center support and IVR assistance for smoother communication. Built for every industry, whether it's manufacturing, healthcare, FMCG, automotive, BFSI, construction, steel and cement, home appliances, or more, our platform supports your business goals. Trusted by leading brands worldwide. From India to 40+ countries, top brands rely on Loyltworks to create loyalty programs that deliver real results. Ready to launch or upgrade your loyalty program? Let's build something great together. Connect with us to know more.